Hello everyone, and I would like to provide you with the company's corporate update. Several months ago, we signed a pilot agreement with one of the major water treatment companies in the Permian Basin. This company is handling approximately 1 million barrels of produced water per day, and just a reminder, one of our systems is designed to handle approximately 17,000 barrels of produced water per day, which gives us a huge upside potential and for our technology as well. So far, we can report the following results. The objective of the pilot was to manage and handle multiple aspects of water treatment, and one of the major elements was the reduction of usage of chemicals, for example, hydrogen peroxide, HP. Today, we were able to reduce HP by about 85%, which is very much a big number. It's a very quantifiable number. Our ORP is between 300 and 400, which is very good. BOD is below 5. So far we've been able to achieve the numbers that are really good for water treatment of produced water. So all in all, we still need a little bit of time to complete all of our testing, but as of today, our results look very promising. So moving forward, I'll be reporting to you probably every week to 10 days, and I'll keep you updated on our developments in the Permian. Everybody have a great week.